What's up, Nicktastic fam, and welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year! And can you guess what video we're doing today? Well, you probably already know by reading the title. Yes, that's right, oops. Oops. We are gonna be testing a DAISO DIY kit. So here it is. If you haven't watched my What I Got for Christmas video, then you probably don't know that I got this for Christmas. It's a cute little wool felt kit so we can make this dog, which is a toy poodle. So at the back it says it provides wool felt, needle, eye parts, round jump ring, and a ball chain. And the stuff you'll need is a sponge, craft glue, scissors, and a ruler. So without further ado, let's get right into testing this kit. So here's everything in the kit. We've got the manual, the wool, some eye parts, and the ball ring thing, and the needle. So for this DIY, you gotta have parental supervision because the needle is most probably gonna be super sharp, so you gotta make sure you don't poke yourself. So first, we're gonna look at the manual. See what we got here. Whoa. Okay. Step 1. Loosen the divided pieces of camel wool? Camel wool? Did I get this from a camel? What? Okay, loosen the divided pieces of camel wool. Step 1, 2, 3. Make each piece into a sheet of length 2.7 inch and 2.36 inch. Loosen the wool will give you a neat surface. Okay, so gotta take our wool, the camel wool. We gotta measure it out to, what is it again? Sorry, I have memory problem.
Okay, what's next? It looks like hair, by the way. Next, we gotta... Wait, what? I just realized this is step 2. What's step 1? Okay, whatever. Step 3. Roll one of the loosened pieces of wool from one end while stabbing it to make the core. Roll one of the loosened pieces of wool. Roll one of the loosened pieces of wool from one end while stabbing it to make the core.
So basically what they mean is roll one end here while stabbing the needle to make the core. Is that what they mean? Honestly, I don't really get this. Okay, now we got the needle, gotta be careful. So it says roll one of the loosened pieces of wool from step 2 from one end while stabbing it to make the core. So we gotta stab it to make a core. Size of core. You gotta measure the size of the core? Really? Okay, I think I got it figured out. What they mean is take one piece of wool thing and loosen it into like 2 pieces. So we got these 2 pieces and grab one of them and just start stabbing it to create a core. So let's just start stabbing. Okay, after stabbing this wool for like 100 times, let's see what's next. So I've got my head, I've got stabbed many times. Guys, this needle is really sharp, I'm telling you. So, I've got my little ball minus the ugly parts down here. So just hide that. So I've got my ball as the head, and let's see what's next. So the instructions say, you know what, forget about the measurements of the head because whatever. Now you gotta loosen one of the divided pieces of camel wool and divide it as shown in the picture. For a rounded nose, for adjustment for the ears. So we gotta need one like this, and one like this. Okay. What? Okay. So we gotta take our other camel wool. I don't know why they call it camel wool, but okay. This. And wait, do we like divide this completely? Because I don't know how big its ears should be. Ugh. God. Will they ever need more wool? Okay, so you're gonna need more wool later for the body and the nose. So we're just gonna take a bit from this for... Next we gotta make the body. This is my wool right here. It is 2.7 inches. Yeah, just don't mind that head right there. That's beautiful. So now we're just gonna needle this into this guy, I guess. Okay, so I've got my little dog and his weird looking body and the little ears on. And so we've got these little legs, his nose, and now we're gonna attach it all together. Okay, are you guys ready for the big reveal? I mean, it's not that bad. Obviously needs a whole lot of improvement, but it got its 4 legs, it's got its nose, its eyes, and ears. I think it turned out okay. Yeah, it sucks, but and it's nowhere near the photo, but I mean, for a first try, it's actually kind of okay. So, honest review time. Well, if you guys don't have that much time to do this, then definitely don't. I don't advise you to try this out if you don't have time to, like, poke and stab the wool one by one, because this really takes a lot of effort and time, and I didn't have that much time to spare poking into this, so definitely gotta think about that. But if you guys want to try this out, it is a fun DIY you can try. So it gives you a whole lot of instructions. Oh wait, Okay, so you guys, I just realized that there's instructions at the back, which I didn't read. So that's how it turned out terrible. That's how it turned out really ugly. So a number one tip, make sure to read all the instructions. Look. Like, literally, it's the number one instruction, and I already failed at level 1. So yeah, not the best dog, but I mean it's acceptable for first try. Oh my god, its eye's coming off. Anyways, that's it for my DAISO DIY try/fail. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!